Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be doing a lace wig for you guys, and this one is gonna be from Jessie's wig. Let's dig right into this box and see what we got here. So first up, I got this pack of makeup brush that they sent me with the wig, of course. I think this was lovely. This was a really cute gift to get with my wig. And it's pink, so it's perfect. To my surprise, they also sent me a makeup sponge, and it's in this little thing that you could carry it in, which is amazing for traveling especially. They also sent me this HD wig cap with two of them in the pack. I think this is also an amazing gift because these days the HD wig cap really does it when you put your wigs on. And this is the elastic band that I will be using to tie down the edges of my wig while I'm fixing it. And they also sent me some lashes, as you can see here. So here's the wig, guys, that they sent me. The length of the wig is 24 inches and I absolutely love the color, but y'all will see it. It's pre-bleach, as you can see there, guys, and it's also pre-plucked, which is amazing. The lace is already cut off of it, so that was also like a plus. I did trim it down a little bit more myself, but that was, good that they already did cut the lace off. It has two clips in the sides, one in the back, of course, and it also came with this adjustable elastic band on it, which I really like because, as you can see, it has those little grip things on it for extra support, extra gripping, and all of that good stuff. I do believe this wig was meant to wear glueless, but because of the size of my head, it didn't fit, so I had to glue it down. Here I'm showing you guys that even though it has them extra whatever it is on the strap, you could still adjust it, which is amazing. So yeah, guys, this wig can be worn whether you glue it down or not because it has all the support you need to hold it onto your head. This is what the actual hair looks like. It has all them streaks in it and I absolutely love it. I did wear a wig similar to this not too long ago, but I love this because I think the highlight in this one is a little bit more. I'm not sure, I could be wrong, but I love the highlights in this one and I absolutely love the length as well. So for this wig, I'm not gonna be wearing it with curls or waving it. I'm gonna be wearing it bone straight. So I put it on my mannequin head so I could go ahead and straighten it with my flat iron. So for this part, I'm gonna speed it up, guys, so we could get through it much faster. I do apologize if you wanted it slowed down, but all I'm doing here is straightening the hair. I'm not doing anything extra, nothing crazy, nothing you're really missing. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the video. Oh, I must mention that I use my edge wax stick on it, but I like to apply it onto my hand before put it onto the hair sometimes, and that's what I'm going to be doing with this to help with the flyaway hair and so on and so forth. Another thing, because the wig is straight and it can get really flat, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to apply it directly onto the hair, so I rub it into my hand and then rub my hand over the hair, and that works for me.
Can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? If the war was dead, would you cry or would you try again? Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Time and a rewind. Help me understand, can you tell me
Here I'm applying the edge wax stick onto the hair around the edges and around the parting to get the flyaway hair to lay down even better. As you can see, I laid the hair going away from my face, and this is gonna help when I'm putting the wig on to keep them flyaway hair from going into the gel or glue, whatever I'm using to secure it onto my head. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some foundation onto the stocking cap just to tone the color down. I could use the HD wig cap, but for some reason I like using the stocking cap, especially when I don't want to do a ball cap. This kind of works for me. Here I'm using some rubbing alcohol to clean up my skin where I'm going to be putting the lace down on. Now I'm putting the wig back on, and I gotta say I already love it so much. As soon as I put it on, I was already in love with it. Here I'm trimming the lace down a little bit more because I feel like it's a little bit too much on there for me, so yeah. Now to secure it on, this is what I'm going to be using, my Evan Wonder Lace Bond. First I sprayed on, hold the lace down on it until I felt where it started gripping, and then I continue to dry it with my blow dryer. After the front was dry, I then move on to the sides. Now I'm going to tie that down with the elastic band that came with the wig and leave it to dry some more. So while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and fix up the parting and other parts of my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lay some baby hair because for some reason I feel like it looks really good with the lace wig. After I cut it, I like to add some mousse on it to get it laid down, and then I go back over it with a little bit of the Got To Be Glued styling gel. Now I'm going to tie them down the edges, of course, and let them dry. And while they're drying, I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. And here we are, guys. Look at how gorgeous this wig is. I can't deal. I am so in love with it. It feels so good. It's laying so well. The texture, everything about it is so good. The density, the length, the color. I am so in love with this wig. I've experienced no shredding at all with this wig and no tangling, and that's always amazing when it comes to these wigs. Again, the wig is from Jessie's Wig, and I will leave all their information down below in the description box so you could find this hair if you like it, or any other hair that they may have on their website. Another thing I really love about this wig is the HD lace that is on it, because who want to be wearing wigs where the lace is showing, the lace is not behaving, you know what I mean? Anyway, guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concern, please go ahead and leave them down below and I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!